heard about the Young Achievers one way or another through radio, the TV,
YouTube, Google us, you will find us.
Anywhere else you know? Oh.
MySpace, by the way.
So yeah, I wanted to let you guys know what we are and how we came about. So here it goes.
The Young Achievers. Well, the Young Achievers are a group of self-motivated Somali youth who originally gathered due to the absence of Somali programming specific to Somalis in late 2006. The group was Somali high school students from Edison High School in Minneapolis, partnered with staff of Somali Healthcare Initiative, a collaborative partnership created by Russia International, the Confederation of Somali Community, CSCM, and Leadership Empowerment and Development, LEAD Group, and recently, Kudjo, which is funded by the Department of Health.
The objective was to educate youth about healthy life and eventually evolve to be the leaders of the Somali youth. The youth have addressed healthy expressions, worked on collage preparations, and inspired Somali youth around the globe. They worked on dramas, such as a play called, what was it called? On HIV and AIDS, and they talked about the stigma within the community. They perform everywhere they go, they kill it. TYA all day. Over the remainder of the school year, they discovered that they had a flair using creative arts, including writing, dance, and theater. Okay, they engaged both in youth and parents' conversations. It was from this group that the Young Achievers was born. TYA?
The Young Achievers meet weekly during the academic year and semi-monthly during the summer month. The structure of the Young Achievers group grew organically out of expressed needs and strength of the youth. The accomplishment of the Young Achievers are the following include writing a poetry book with the help of Kudjo, the last poet. Writing public service announcement on healthy eating funded by United Ways. DVD on stigma of HIV/AIDS funded by Park Nicollet Institute. The great job of filming by Dawn from Emergency Picture.
A play on day-to-day issues the Somali youth deal with, while incorporating spoken word help from Chris and Maren from the Redmond Theater, who not